Hey everyone, this is James again, coming to you. Going to tell you a little bit more about some chart reading, stock chart reading. Financial Visualization, or finviz.com, is another website with a huge amount of information. You might want to look around, find out what's going on, but I'm going to use this basically for patterns, stock chart patterns. Okay, if we slide down a little bit, we're going to look right here, kind of like in the middle, where we're going to have basic charts. Okay, now we have a trend line support, trend line resistance. Now support is where it's, oh, let's just click on it real quick. When charts are having a hard time going over a certain level, you know. I love commercials. Okay. Now this is, I believe, this is resistance. Now resistance is where stocks can't go above a certain height. You know, it's like a ceiling, if you would, where they try to go up and they just can't break through that one point. Now see the trend lines right here? That's the top trend line, this is the bottom trend line. The top trend line is the resistance, kind of like the ceiling. Resistance right here is kind of like the floor. It doesn't drop below the resistance, doesn't go higher than the ceiling. Okay, HRT, check it out. It can't seem to break above that mark. This one here, SONA, can't seem to break above that one. Same thing here, can't seem to go higher than that. But whether they're going up or down, you can see the resistance line. The resistance line is the top one. Okay, the support line is the bottom one. But these aren't support type charts, these are resistance type charts. So if you're going to look for a company that's trading in a resistance type of trade or chart, this is where you go. Now let's hit back for a second. I'll show you some other one. Oops, slide back down to where we were. Support. Now support's the bottom line. It's going to be totally different. See? Very nice. See? It's not going below that line. That's the support line. See, the trend is going a certain direction and it just won't go below that. That's resistance. Or I mean support. Sorry. Support. These are your trend lines. See, this is trending up. That's cool. Trending up. These things all seem to be trending up. Very nice. Alright, anyway, let's go back to another one. This is horizontal support resistance. Nice. Imagine that being in just drawing lines all day long. That's your job. Hey, my job is drawing lines. Support resistance line. Yeah, that's what that is. Support resistance. Now I'm going to show you a couple of them that I like. Yeah, man. Here we go. Channeling. This is where stocks get into a channel where it doesn't go higher than a certain point, doesn't go lower than a certain point. See, I talked about this before in a couple of my other videos. See, nice upward move, and now it's channeling sideways. See that? It's not going higher than there, and it's not going lower than there. Same again here. Nice upward move, and then here's your channel right there with multiple tops. That one's cool. There's 3 pages of these. Holy cow! See, there's a nice one. CNI. Going sideways. 94 is the low and 101 is the high. So you sell it at 101 and you buy it down here when it hits 94. That's cool. Same thing here. 16 is the high and 13 is the low. But anyway, this is good for pattern recognition. See? all relatively nice sideways movements. Alright, let's go back and see what else we can find. Alrighty. Well, the pattern. Okay, now look at multiple tops. It's another chart pattern. See how the stock moves up, gets a high, comes back down, low, and then goes up again, then down, and up again. Look at it. Multiple tops. 1, 2, 3. There we go again. 1, 2, 3. This one I don't like as much as this, because this is more of a what's the word I'm looking for? Smooth transition, where you have a lot of movement. This is sporadic. See, jumps up, drops, jumps up, drops. There's no consistency in this one. See, multiple tops again. Top, comes down, top, comes down, top, comes down. Same here. Top, down, top, down, top, down, top. Okay, so like this movement, DEF. Look at that movement. Nice. Then it comes, pulls back down, comes back up, back down, and back up again. Very lovely. She's at what, 33 now, so she probably could come down even further before she shoots back up to 34. Very nice. But this is your multiple tops. Okay, and then if we hit the back button, we'll go back and we'll see the multiple bottoms. But if you look around on this website, this will give you a good idea of chart pattern recognition. Okay, again, that website is called finviz.com, and it will help you out with reading some charts.